board and golden wings, a kitchen glitch. My kids said no before the pan got hot, but I believed in what they couldn't see yet. Scrape the seeds, slice it thin, salt and sugar, let the harshness dim. Chicken wings, just salt and oil, 20 minutes, that's the toil. Oh, it's bittersweet where two worlds meet, crisp and tender, bold and mild. Love's the secret in the child who licks the plate and begs more, please. No fry, no steam, no fancy show, just patience and letting go of this won't work turns no to yes, bittersweet. 28 Yoon for 3 good wings, 2 gourds from market, hope it sings. Ginger, garlic, onion, gold, a spoon of bean paste, stories told. Simmer slow, then add the green, watch the bitter turn serene. In chicken's love it finds its grace, not erased, just held in place. Oh, it's bittersweet, life's perfect beat, heavy, light, sharp and deep. The best things grow where edges meet, and now they ask, is there more? No diet guilt, no fuss, no lie, just truth cooked low beneath the sky of my small stove, where love still grows bittersweet. They'll tell you flavors must align, that bitter stays and rich is fine. But I say greatness lives in blend, in risks we take, in ends we lend. This dish isn't just food I made, it's every try that never frayed. It's unworth the weight it takes, even when the world says don't mix those, it breaks. Oh, it's bittersweet where hearts and flavors meet, crisp and tender, true and bold. The best stories aren't told, they're caught. Let the world keep drawing lines, I'll keep mixing opposites. 'Cause love's not pure, it's complex and bittersweet.谁能相信苦瓜配鸡翅？一个辛苦，一个努力。孩子嫌苦，老公怕腻，我却偏要把对理写成诗。挂进白色切块日水，戒指烟头小火满线，汤中何苦将过主线，10分钟苦就变成了甜。听，吐后会甘，是生活最深的答案。叶翅软烂，苦瓜清咸，一口 下去，矛盾都和解。先到天台，拉长三排，如满足叹息。孩子说：“妈妈，再来一块，连哭都不怕，因为有你在。这人间烟火啊，不完美却圆满，是你给我的最巧的安排。”28块3只戒指，2条苦瓜洗净瓜皮，没有真没有假，只有耐心和一点点魔法。洋风如果酸浆通畅，豆浆色又香飘满岛。苦瓜细胞肉质光，连风都停在床边头长。哭后悔感，是日子最美的转弯。体质不垮，清爽不淡，一口下去，健康都灿烂。全家围坐，碗筷清香，连挑剔都变成了光。这平凡餐桌啊，因你而亮。哭后悔感，是爱在回响。他们说苦瓜只能清炒，鸡翅必须红烧才好。可生活哪有标准答案？爱就是大胆去调和。这道菜不是为了惊艳，是想告诉你也可以被温柔包裹，你也值得被好好爱着，哪怕你曾觉得自己太苦。哭后悔感，是千万次尝试后的答案。鸡翅软烂，苦瓜清鲜，一口下去，世界都和解。别信只能这样，必须那样，你手中的果就是方向。这道菜没有秘方，只有你不肯放弃的光。